happy Taco Tuesday. So I'm about to make me some tacos. I'm gonna go to the grocery store and get the rest of the stuff I need. I'm feeling really good today. I'm vlogging on my new camera. We're gonna see how this footage come out, how it sounds. I'm feeling good today. A little stressed, but I'm feeling good. I'm not gonna let that bother me, but I'm feeling really good. I'm gonna go to the grocery store. I should have said y'all with me, but I don't know. It's kind of ghetto, you know. I don't want people to be looking at me like, what is she doing? But yeah, I'll see y'all in a second. Okay, I'm about to go to the store. Just got to come in the bathroom, make sure my hair looking cute. And by the way, this is natural lighting in the bathroom. So it seems like this camera does okay with natural lighting, I guess. But let me walk to this store. I'm loving my hair like this. Like, I'm loving it. Okay, let me go to the store. Okay, y'all, so I'm back from the grocery store. I just wanted to show y'all some stuff I got. I got some Welch's grape juice. What is this? White grape juice for my baby. She likes this juice. And I still add water to her juice. Just because I feel like it's too sweet for her. And I got me some Ocean Spray. Cran pomegranate. This is so good. Y'all need to try this if you have not tried it. Try it. It's really, really good. I bought my baby some Lunchables just to have. She likes these little Lunchables. I got some taco seasoning. I'm making tacos today. Cheese for the tacos. Mexican style, of course. I got some peaches for me and my baby. She haven't had peaches before, so hopefully she likes them. More taco seasoning. I got us from, well, me, some hot peppers for my tacos. And I'm doing ground turkey. I never had ground turkey before, so hopefully it's good. I'm just trying something new, something healthier. Got some more Lunchables. I got 2 of these and 2 of the other ones. These are ham. And I just got some hard taco shells for me. What else did I get? I got more stuff than I went to get. I wasn't even supposed to get all this stuff. Just some stuff for tacos. And I got some soft shells for the tacos because I like to do the soft and the hard shell taco together. I got some salsa for the tacos, lettuce for the tacos, and I got my baby some bananas. I was gonna get her some more fruit, but they fruit did not look good, so I just got the bananas and the peaches because they look the best. The bananas are like brownie, kind of how we like ours. This one, I don't know, I might throw this one away. I don't know, it's too soft. Anyways, I'm gonna put all this stuff up. I have not eaten anything, and it is 11, almost 11:30. So I'm gonna probably make me a salad or something. I don't know. So I will see you guys in a minute. Okay, y'all, I just made me a ham sandwich. Got me some chips. Gonna drink my Ensure with it. So I'm still learning this camera. I don't know how to make it bright, make it light. I'm still learning, so give me a break, y'all. Give me a break. I don't want to have to go to Best Buy and ask them to help me with the settings and stuff. So I'm gonna just probably look on YouTube and see, try to figure it out. But I'm about to eat this up real quick. Try to straighten up a little bit more before my baby come, and I will see you guys later. So hey y'all, I'm about to get ready to cook my food, my tacos, Taco Tuesday. I just wanted to make this quick little video to see how my camera works. I still don't know how to use it fully. I don't know the lighting settings and all that. I gotta figure all that out. But I just wanted to make this quick little video. I'm about to have a glass of wine and wait for my baby to come. She's still not here yet. So I guess I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.